Hello, welcome to this update. We just wanted to give one more update on the new storm Lilian that's coming to affect the UK between today and tomorrow, Thursday through Friday. So let's see here. This the GFS. It shows the storm there. Shows like very powerful with a lot of rain, blasting Ireland and the UK there. So please be aware. Then it goes into the North Sea and affects Norway there, and it shows very powerful still heading towards Norway and Sweden there later. So let's see. The European also has this storm there, a little bit less than the GFS, but like 89 millibars, a powerful storm. And then it goes into Ireland, in the UK, with a lot of rain, maybe some thunderstorms and some very strong winds there. It goes into Norway, still very powerful there. So be careful there in Ireland, Scotland, England, and the rest of the UK, and in Norway later in Sweden. So let's see a closer look here. It shows like between Thursday and Friday, so it should arrive by tonight in Ireland and then last until like Friday morning, and still Friday morning by noon. It leaves like by noon and goes into Norway by Friday afternoon. So it's a fast moving system. So let's see. There's this other model here, has the system there, and also powerful. Then it goes into Ireland with a lot of rain and wind, and goes into the UK, even stronger there, with a lot of rain and wind, and goes then into Norway. So then it goes there, and let's see this other model. Where is it? And then there's this high resolution model. We could use it too. It shows the system arriving there like by this evening. Right, it's some rain in Ireland, and by tonight shows a lot of rain there. Maybe a storm or two, but mainly some rain. It shows very heavy rain, and then it goes there. This model might be good to see some wind gusts because it's high resolution. So let's see, it shows that system leaving there. That's the remnant of Ernesto. That's going away. But then the new system comes by tonight, leaves some very gusty winds in southern Ireland. It has like 60 to 70 kilometer per hour winds there. Then it goes and gets even stronger between Ireland and Wales. So in the seas there shows almost to 100 kilometers per hour. The scales there so shows almost to 100 kilometers per hour as it gets to the UK, and then even like over the western portion of the UK there, it shows some very strong winds, potentially more than 100 kilometers per hour. And then it continues. You see those blacks there. Sometimes these high resolution models can exaggerate, but it shows that black will be almost 150 kilometer per hour wind gusts. So please be careful there. Still by Friday noon, going to the afternoon, some very strong winds there still, and it gets even stronger as it goes into the ocean there and heads for Norway. So please be careful. Let's see what else. So there's this other model here. So it shows the system there, arrive in Ireland, the UK, very strong. Then it goes through the UK into Norway and Sweden there. So let's see the wind gusts from the European. It has already some gusty winds there because of the remnants of Ernesto. And then this system comes, shows some gusts there, like almost 70, between 70 and 80 kilometers per hour there, just south of Ireland. Then as it gets to the western coast of the UK, it gets to more than 100 kilometers per hour in those pinks and whites there. So please be careful there. There'll probably be some gale warnings and large waves and stuff. So be careful. Then this keeps going and brings some very strong winds to Denmark as well. So before it gets to Norway, the south side of the system will have the strongest winds, and if some very strong winds by Denmark by like Friday afternoon. So be careful there. Those purples are like between 80 and 100 kilometers per hour gusts. Then this goes and dissipates. And then maybe a small system or two later. And the wind gusts from the GFS have this passing the worst winds just south of Ireland and southern Ireland around 60 to 70 kilometers per hour. Then it passes by the UK there, near the coast, like almost to between 80 and 100 kilometers per hour. Then it goes, gets even stronger in the sea there, brings some very strong winds to the coast of Norway between Norway, no, that's Denmark, between like 60 and 80 kilometers per hour, and just offshore, close to 100 kilometers per hour. Then it goes, leaves some more gusty winds, like 50 to 60 kilometers per hour in Sweden, and then goes away there. So stay safe in those areas there. Let's see if I can zoom in further so it shows. Let's see the European as this system comes. It shows some very gusty winds that they're in Ireland too, like as this leaves there. Let's see, it shows some very gusty winds. Those purples are like some 80 to 90 kilometers per hour, but specifically in the western UK near Wales and England, it shows more than 100 kilometers per hour there. So please be careful in those areas. It keeps going. And yeah, let's see here. Here, the big pictures, so you can see Norway and Sweden. So this goes there. It won't be much of a wind maker for Norway, but mainly in Denmark, but you also leave a gusty wind or two in Norway, Sweden, maybe some other systems later might leave some other winds. But let's see. The rainfall shows the rain arriving to Norway by Friday there, and some in Denmark and Sweden as well, but heavier in Norway, some snow in the mountains there. Then it keeps going through Norway and Sweden, some more heavy rain there, keeps going until Saturday and then leaves into the Arctic there. Then it even shows another cold front later into Sweden and Finland, into Russia, even Norway, so yeah, be aware. And the rain accumulation for Norway shows a lot there, almost 100 millimeters in Norway, shows more in the UK, some areas close to 100 millimeters as well. In Iceland, some more systems there, parts of Russia and Estonia. So yeah, be aware. More in the south, from a cold front in France, lots of storms in Spain, through southern France, more storms through Austria, Central Europe, and especially like in southern Russia, Armenia, Georgia, and Turkey there, might have a lot of storms too. So be aware. Let's see what it shows for the rest of Europe. So it shows, like, especially by Saturday afternoon, lots of heavy rainstorms in southern Russia, Georgia, and like Turkey there, and those areas. Even by Sunday, Saturday into Sunday, more storms throughout Turkey. And then it shows by Friday that cold front comes by Saturday into France, leaves a lot of strong storms in southern France, central into eastern France and northeastern Spain. So be aware. Southeastern Spain as well by Sunday afternoon, more through Eastern Europe by Sunday, and then yeah, but be careful there, those storms. Let's see. There's this other model here. It shows by Friday that front in the northern France, and a lot of strong storms northern Spain and southern France there. So be careful Saturday afternoon. Please be aware there. Then it moves into Eastern Europe and more stuff. So let's see. Spain, there's a lot of storms this afternoon in parts of southeastern Spain and northeastern Spain. Then Friday, more storms throughout the Pyrenees and some other areas. And Saturday, some more heavy rain and strong storms for northern Spain and the Pyrenees. And Sunday, in other areas of north and eastern Spain, even southeastern Spain there. And even to northern Africa, this is like by Monday, the 26th, showing a big system in Northern Africa there. So be aware. Let's see. There's this high resolution model. It shows the storms in Spain today. Lots of strong storms might be occurring already this afternoon. In Italy, some storms today too. Then tomorrow, Friday, shows more storms in northeastern Spain, central, southeastern Spain. So continue to be careful there. Let's see. Tormentas fuertes in España. Good. So let's see, the front continues there by Friday, still some rain in the north, and a storm or two in Italy, in other areas. But Saturday will really be the big day there. So yeah, so be careful, the systems there and everything. The temperature is still very hot in southern Spain and Portugal, close to 37 degrees, 32, 35 degrees. Northern Spain, 37 too today. Southern France, some low 30s, some 30s in Italy as well, so be aware. But southern Romania and Bulgaria, 35, 34 there, so be careful. And some 20s in other areas. Then tomorrow, it shows hotter in southern France tomorrow, close to 35 degrees. Northeastern Spain, still some 30s there, and 20s along the coast. It shows in southern Spain, 37, 38 degrees, 33, muy caliente. Good. So let's see. In southeastern Europe, still in the 34, there is there in Hungary, Serbia. So nothing crazy, but be aware of the heat as well. And this is mainly it. Colder there in the north in some areas. So stay safe. And a little bit cooler this weekend and some other days because of those systems in the UK there. So yeah, stay safe, mainly it.